Yeah. This is actually my car, guys.
Oh, this is your new car? Is this
Yeah,
a new project?
Yeah, so it's actually Nissan 350Z HE. All right.
Oh
You know what? If you
shit.
guys don't know what that means, it means high elevation.
High
So
elevation.
yeah. So when you're in
Yeah.
in the mountains, you
Mm.
know, you don't lose power,
Mm.
and also high elevation. So when you're fucking in this car, it doesn't lose, suspension.
Oh shit.
Gotta
So
watch out for that.
she's stiff though.
Yup, yup.
Alright.
All right, guys. So
Oh,
wrong
oh.
side.
Wrong side? Oh. Oh, what's on this side, bro? What's on this side?
So
Yeah.
okay. It's pretty
I'm
mint.
looking at it,
Pretty
I'm
mint.
looking at it.
Don't mind this.
Oh.
So
Yeah.
what we got here today is we got to take off this whole thing off.
Oh, we're taking this whole thing off, right?
Yup. I don't know how. So I'm probably just gonna get a pry bar and just start prying it off and see what happens.
Yep. We're just gonna mess up this car and then just try and like figure out how to take off this door.
Yeah. I mean, like our old man once said, you gotta break a few eggs to make an omelet.
Exactly.
It almost looks like a butt plug, bro. It's kind of.
Nah,
Yeah.
Eric's definitely like that, bro.
Oh, I'm not touching it.
He's like touching it, like he's like, oh, it's a butt plug, bro. I don't even think it's coming out. You got a magnet? Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Oh fuck.
Ah.
I fucking hate kids.
Oh wait, this is kind of cool. He's got a Milwaukee. Why am I getting him a tool set? He's fucking rich. Look, boom. Oh, wait. I got the screw out.
Fucking Master Tech.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
See, I actually know what I'm doing, man.
Yeah, I should. Gotta hit up HR.
Hit up HR.
Yeah. Eric's not compensating me properly. I don't want sloppy top on that food.
No. Pounds.
I'm worried that we're gonna have to lower the window, but we don't have the key. I'm gonna turn into a munch at the end of this, bro.
You turn into a munch? I thought you were already a munch, bro.
I'm a munch. But like, Eric's just making me turn more into one.
Oh my god.
I should have brought a mini fucking.
Pro tip, this is master mechanic stuff right here.
Pro tip, guys, bring a butter knife or a mini flathead.
I don't think that is either.
I don't know, Jit. Alright, guys. We took off the regulator. Took it off.
Yeah.
The skin stripped out.
So, if you want.
Oh!
All I'm saying? Impact's the way.
Impact is the way.
It may not be a Milwaukee, but it gets the job done.
You know, old men saying it for years, bro. Right tool for the right job.
Yeah.
Oh. Fuck, that's my first time, sorry.
Oh my god.
First time.
This is first time getting it in the hole, bro.
It's first time, fuck.
So zoomed in.
Oh yeah.
You took out the camera.
Too much power, bro. Too much power.
Damn,
bro, you suck. I'm gonna force myself to throw up in your fucking car.
Huh?
Yeah.
Is it? You guys just don't. You guys just don't remember what ones went where.
No, there's a lot.
Oh my god!
Like easily,
you guys just kept on screwing.
Yeah. I know where this one goes.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I got the.
So guys, we actually failed working on 350Z today. So we just called it, and now we're watching 300-pound bitches riding in cars across the country.
It's 300-pound bitches, oiled up, and they're throwing ass.
Yes.